Ever wondered what makes mulled wine so special during the holiday season? It's the go-to warm beverage that brings comfort and festive vibes to those chilly months. The magic lies in its unique blend of ingredients: a good bottle of red wine, a dash of various spices, a burst of citrus fruits, and a sweet touch. Sometimes, for those who like a bit of a kick, it's even fortified with spirits. All of these combine to create a rich, aromatic flavor profile. Ready to learn how to make this delectable beverage? Stick around! First things first, you need to gather your ingredients. To conjure this cozy concoction, you'll need a bottle of red wine, perhaps a Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, or Zinfandel. Sweeten things up with a quarter cup of honey or sugar to taste. Add a citrusy zing with slices of 1 orange and 1 lemon. Spice it up with 6 to 8 whole cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 2 star anise pods. Optionally, fortify your brew with a quarter cup of brandy or rum. Got everything? Great, let's move to the fun part. Now that you've gathered your ingredients, it's time to craft your perfect mulled wine. The first step is to pour your chosen bottle of red wine into a large pot or saucepan. You're not just adding wine here, you're laying the foundation for a warm, comforting, and festive beverage. Next, introduce your sweetener. A quarter cup of honey or sugar should suffice, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Now, imagine the sweet aroma of citrus filling your kitchen as you add in the slices of 1 orange and 1 lemon. It's time to spice things up. 6 to 8 whole cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 2 star anise pods join the mix, infusing our wine with a rich, aromatic flavor profile. As the heat rises, be vigilant. We don't want a boil, but a gentle simmer. Once the simmering starts, reduce the heat to low and let it continue for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is when the magic happens. The flavors meld together, creating a symphony of taste that is both comforting and festive. Just before serving, consider a dash of daring. Stir in a quarter cup of brandy or rum if you desire. Ladle your mulled wine into mugs or heat-proof glasses, ensuring each serving gets a fair share of fruit slices and spices. And just like that, you've made your very own mulled wine. Now, let's talk variations. Mulled wine is a versatile drink, and you can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Consider spicing things up with ginger, cardamom, or nutmeg. Swap out traditional sweeteners for maple syrup or brown sugar for a unique twist. And for that extra festive touch, garnish with a cinnamon stick or a slice of orange. Remember, it's all about creating a flavor profile that tickles your taste buds. There you have it, a cozy, festive drink to warm your winter nights. Enjoy your mulled wine!